pagkain na binigay sa atin ng mga insect, ang pansit. Halina, kain tayo sa isang mainit na isla de Pansiteria. I guess I'll be sending the video to you later. Yeah. Medyo delay po tayo. So, I will know significant variety from soup-based dishes, stir-fried, and even with a little bit of sauces and least known exotic pancit in our country. The figure on the right side highlighting that the National Capital Region, I'm hoping again, National Capital Region, as the home of the highest number of pancit documented with 45 dishes, such as our known Pancit Bihon, Canton, and Sotanghon from the Binondo district, which is in Manila, which is considered also as the top in terms of the city level. Pancit Malabon, Pancit Puti of Makati City, and Pancit Pinagulong of Marikina City. In the provincial level, the province of Cavite revealed the highest number of dishes, such as Pancit Henoy, Almondigas, Pancit Choco and Sutinta, and Pancit Puso. While Nabua in Camarines Sur and also Tanza Cavite tied first place for the municipal level dishes. Typically starts by sautéing the ingredients in hot oil and definitely fat. And the other process of cooking can be based on how we prepare it. If it is in the soup base, we need to boil it or simmer it. But there are certain processes that we need to blanch it, and also using tossing, pan frying, deep frying, kneading, especially for fresh noodles, and also pureeing for sauces, steaming, and braising. With regard to the raw ingredients, to develop and provide appropriate ingredients. For their own versions and varieties, these are foreign and also local influencer, availability of local resources, provision of getting ingredients from the main and known suppliers like palenques, skill-based development of the community, the influence of modernization and technology, and alternative resources. The table in the slide shows the representation. The table shows the representation of the summarized cooking materials and equipment, which were grouped into 5 categories: measuring devices and knives, hand tools, and small equipment. The project explored the need to sustain the traditional equipment and tools such as kabayo and hako for kneading the fresh noodles, especially in Lipa, in Batangas, and even in other places in the northern Philippines. Also, the usage of pugon and kalangkahoy for cooking. The second table shows the representation of the summarized process of consumption, paano tayo kumain, which were divided into 4 factors, such as food utensils, takeout utensils, and even materials. There are sauces, and even food pairing. Aside from the basic tools for food consumption, there are significant aspects that the project explored, such as balik-sungsong shaped container or the cylindrical shaped container made from banana leaves, which is used for takeout. And even yung ating mga natatandaan din for Batangas or even in other provinces that use it as a cone to eat it. So there are also contexts of pairing, such as pairing it with another carbohydrates, steamed rice as ulam, pandesal and puto for merienda. Pancit, as it was embraced by the community through its rationalistic identity, developed its cultural significance. Pancit transformed the cultural identity of the Filipino through its historical, spiritual, culinary, social, their products, and even these services. Having part of significant occasions such as padasal, wakes, burial, Holy Week, and special festival or festivity. How about the context also of having this modernization of our pancit, the culture of instant noodles, 5-minute pancit canton from Lucky Me, which our children would really love. The terms of food, in terms of food etymology, the names of pancit dishes in Luzon. The table exhibits the origin of names. In conclusion, there are 3 important factors in the culinary heritage of pancit. These are regionalism, indigenization, and significance. Now, okay na? Okay. From the acculturated Chinese dish, pancit has regionalistic identity since it was developed through time and made it as an identity of your community. Because of this context, pancit already an indigenized food for the community, which highlights their raw ingredients, their process of cooking, the materials used, and even how you eat it, and the context of what significance are enculturated in this particular entity. Bilang isang tambay sa pansitan, we explore the possibilities of contributing, publish different research manuscripts, and a book chapter discussing different facets of this to promote the Philippines through cultural diplomacy, with the help of the Department of Foreign Affairs Foreign Service Institute in publishing Pancit 101, a book that will provide that provided a glimpse of the project. It was distributed to our Philippine consulates and embassies all around the world. And also, because of this research, we edited our own cultural heritage mapping template for culinary, which we will be using for our mapping of all sumans in Department of Tourism Region 8 or Eastern Visayas. So this is one way on how we integrate the cultural aspect and influence other people, integrating development, and this will be our basis on how we develop tourism and other aspects of the Philippines. Ang tunay na patuloy na nagpapalaganap ng kultura ay ang mga individual, pamilya, at mga negosyante na nagluluto at nagpapakain sa atin. A question, after hearing the story of our project, what will be our contribution to sustain and safeguard our tradition? Next slide na po ba? Continuously support and recognize these people, our new heroes to sustain our culture. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, katulad ng Batang Nakikita, which is merong slide dyan, na meron kami na document na mga... At even ako, bilang ako ay lumaki sa aking lola sa Lipa, na halina pa rin at kakain tayo na lumis sa Ilaya. So, na-invite ko yung ganong kultura. At ito ngayon yung nagsisilbing ngayong pundasyon para sa akin to continue and to help our country in terms of culinary heritage movement and sustainable development. With that, maraming salamat. Kain po tayo at mabuhay sa ating lahat.
Magandang araw sa lahat. Happy morning at congratulations sa iyo, madam, sa inyong Happy Morning website. Ako naman ay natutuwa because you are able to come here and you are able to attend the presentation for the talent search nominees so that we can make the selection of who will be the winner to receive the 500,000 grant from tulad na nasabi ko, we are happy that you are able to attend the presentation of the talent search nominees so we can make the selection para makuha natin kung sino ang mananalo ng 500,000 research grants from the Department of Science and Technology. We are happy for the support of DOST and all the members of the Board of Judges. And of course, yung lahat na mga nominees from UST, Dilim UP, and from LaSalle. And of course, do sa mga may bitbit na mga colleagues and also family relatives. Siyempre, support na nila yon. So, we are happy. Alam mo, sa dami ng nag-present anin yun, ang impression lang ko, though hindi naman indicator na siya ang mananalo, eh ang naunawa ko talaga pagkain yung pansit hindi halata, no? Lang, hindi halata. Pero mas naunawaan mo yun. Yes, kasi mas may dating kakaibang uri talaga. So gusto ko marinig yung question and answer nila ngayon. So thank you very much and hope na madami pang mag-join ng award category na ito ng NAS. Ang call niya ay last working day of November this year for next year deliberation and for next year awarding.
Alright. Ma'am, bago po pagtapos, gusto ko lang din alamin na rin, total nandito na, meron po ba tayong bago uling maaasahan ngayon sa NAS? Bukod dito sa paper presentation. And may pagkakaiba ba sa paper presentation last year? Or sa ngayon? Alin mas maganda?
Nung last year kasi mga technical, mga hard science, kung mapapansin mo, hard at applied science. Ngayon lang kasi ako nakarinig naman social sciences, kaya ngayon lang ako. Kasi yun ang medyo social science ang field ko.
Parang iba
Kaya-
ngayon po. Noon
Oo.
lakas.
Oo. Hindi ko tuloy maunawan. Ang gusto kong makinig kung sino mananalo, kung mananalo yung first time ever, if ever na may
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 pansit.
social sciences o on the field. Tsaka madaming maasahan sa NAS, syempre. Taon-taon naman madaming ginagawa, taon-taon nagbibigay ng awards. So, this
Then naman parang
April,
palaki ng palaki. May
Oo.
500,000. Imagine
Oo.
mo yun.
salamat sa DOSC. Ngayong April kasi merong environmental award. Nagde-deliberation na sila. Supposed to be, sasabay siya sa Earth's Day, pero hindi ko alam kung kung may mananalo at sino mananalo kasi medyo mahigpit ang pangangailangan ng Board of Judges. Mahigpit sila sa criteria. Ang chair nun si Dr. Asanta. And then, meron kaming ongoing na regional scientific meetings sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. For Luzon, we're going to, this end of April, we're going to Cagayan Valley. And for Mindanao, we're going to CDO. And for Visayas, we're going to Cebu. And then dito sa NCR naman, for the national last annual scientific meeting, the second Wednesday and Thursday of July. So yun yung magkakaroon ng mga awarding ceremonies na lahat ng awards ng NAS, at kung merong makakonfer na yung members, dun din gagawin ng investiture. Then may mga ongoing pa kami sumusuport at sumusubaybay doon sa tungkol sa pagre-repaso at pagbabago ng procurement law para sa ating mga scientists.
Pansin nga
Kailangan
po
talaga natin
namin.
yun kasi talagang malaki ang pangangailangan na ayusin yun para makakontinue ng maayos na pagtatrabaho sa ang mga nasa SNT. Meron din kaming I think our scientists are planning to talk with customs and BIR kasi malaking pangangailangan para magkaunawaan yung mga ahensyang yun at saka yung mga nasa SNT para maunawaan nila na pag donate, wala nga kasi tayong pera kaya dinonate. Kaya wag na nilang taksan, pwede pa. I-release nila kasi kakailanganin, hindi mo naman hihingin yun eh. Diba? Kung hindi mo kailangan. Yung mga ganon, dialogue and then pagkakaunawaan, yun ang kailangan. And then support na from those in the position, the decision and policy makers. We are, madami kaming ginagawang related sa special concerns ng NAS, may mga technical working groups, and also dun sa STI Foresight. And we are coordinating also with the OSC and the Department of Budget and Management because we need additional permanent positions for NAST.
Sakto lang po ba yung mga budget natin, ma'am? Kulang pa? Kailangan pa.
Sa dami ng pinagagawa at gustong mangyari ng mga tao, parang kulang ang budget.
Kaya dapat
at saka
dagdagan.
yung mga pagre-release, sana timely. So, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa taong gawa. Naniniwala ko dyan.
So, ma'am, napakahusay pala ng NAS, paano nyo na ipagkasya yung budget nyo sa nakikita natin na
Siyempre.
napakadami nyo pong dapat na bigyan para sa programa nyo.
Siyempre, minamanage mo yung budget mo, di ba? Kasi nga, pili ka lang ng pili kung saan mo gagawin yung mga dapat mong gawin at kung sinong gagawa. Yun lang. You have to manage kasi, siyempre, di ba? Kung so much lang, you have to manage that much. And then, you try to request for additional and hoping that they will understand why you need the additional you're asking for.
Ayun. So, siguro po napakasipag nyo talaga magkulit.
Oo, sige.
Tiyagala. Alright. Thank you po.
Mga ano lang, mga simple, 1.5 minutes lang. So, go! Everyone!
Muli ang inyong lingkod, Biz Horizon Chaser. Dito nagtatapos ang ating nalakap na mga balita hinggil sa sensya at teknolohiya mula sa NAS. Congratulations sa mga nagwagi sa NAS Talent Search for Young Scientists Paper Presentation 2024. Kaya sa next 2025, abangan natin kung sino na naman yung magwawagi na ating mga bagong kabataan na mga scientists na kung saan ay gamit talaga sa ating bansa. Kaya yung mga meron po diyang iba pa na mga innovation, lumapit lamang po tayo sa NAS Philippines. Alright, muli ang inyong lingkod, Biz Horizon Chaser. Dito nagtatapos ang ating nalakap na mga balita hinggil sa siyensya at teknolohiya mula sa NAS sa Philippines. Nag-uulat. Happy morning! Happy morning! Muli ang inyong lingkod, Biz Horizon Chaser. Happy morning!
Happy Morning Show! Lagi kayong kinig.
Nandun tayo lahat sa Happy Morning Show.
Si Dr. Renato Yasi, na walang iba ka, yun po ay kita para sumuporta dito sa ating mga SPARDA, ating mga kababayan.
Happy morning to all!
Happy morning, Miss Horizon. Please visit the Cheongdam restaurant. Thank you for coming.
Friend, happy morning! So, narin na ako sa kung sakali na ito, maaasahan natin. Ay, Dr. First time ko to. Makikita natin talagang kayang may kinalaman ba ito? Dito? Alright. So, di ba, high-tech ng ating mga tricycle? Ako ito lang. Ay, pati ba ito? Is ano pa po yung dapat nila na maaasahan sa PhilAS? And kayo po ang president ngayon. Happy morning!